Get noticed in this 2010 Lexus LS 460. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Why worry about high mileage? Choosing a ride with lower mileage is the right choice for your busy life. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.